Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic recliner that is special for two occasions. I want to say this brand sent it to me for the video, and I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds with all the features. But I want to say that this one is special for two types of people. You can actually use this one just to relax in your living room and watching TV, watching movies, watching your favorite TV show as a corner for like a reading space or something like that, because this one, it is really comfortable. It comes with actually 8-point massager and a really good recliner. And actually, this really nice memory foam pillow that you can use for your back support that is fantastic. You can use it with the pillow or without the pillow. But also for something that I'm going to show you in a few seconds, this one could be good for elderly people because it actually reclines, but also it has a lifter. So, elderly people, sometimes they can't go that low, so they can't sit this low. So this one goes up for the elderly people, to actually sit down first, and then with the remote control, it comes with two remote controllers, one for the recliner and one for the massager, so they can actually sit comfortably. So let's actually take a closer look to this fantastic leather recliner. So as I was telling you before, a few things that I like about this one. Number one, the super nice memory foam pillow that you can use it with or without the pillow. It comes with a zipper so you can remove the cover, and without the pillow, you're gonna see that this one has a really nice pad. This right here on the back support, this right here on the headrest, on the sides as well, in case that you want to nap a little bit. Armrests, these are also padded, and it comes with not one but two cup holders, and not one but two side pockets, and not one but two frontal pockets. So this one is going to be special for the remote control if you want. You can put it on the sides or you can put it on the front side. And if not, you can actually use this one to put your devices like your phone, for example, and put it on charge if you want. But this one is an automatic motorized recliner. Let me show you how. So on the right side, you're going to find everything about the massager. I'm going to show you that in a few seconds as well. So I'm going to put it back in the pocket. And this right here is the remote for the recliner. You're going to have two cables that you're going to connect right there. There's like a minimum assembly. It's going to take you about like 10 minutes to put everything together. And by the way, there's something super good about this one for elderly people again, that it comes with two extra anchors to avoid tipping over. So that is really good. Those extra supports that goes a little bit longer on the back, but really good for that. But then let me show you. So easy. This is the lifter. So I'm lifting right now. This is so good. You can see that it goes up to 330 pounds, so it can manage my weight perfectly. So I'm lifting with the actual lifter, which I think is fantastic. But let me show you why this is so important. So I'm going to remove the pillow so you can see it better. And once that this one stops, that's going to be in any minute now, you can see how tall this one actually goes. So stop. And this is what I was telling you before. Elderly people, they can't go super low. So this is for them to do this first. And then with this button, again, you just go down super smooth, super easy to avoid any situations of tipping over or just like moving too fast. This is super gentle, which I think it is really good. And then when you keep pressing, I'm pressing just like the down button over here, you're going to see what happened next. So it's going to about to reach the bottom part. And then things start to get like super comfy. You keep pressing this one. And again, I'm super amazed in how smooth this one is and how soft everything it is. So kind of like to avoid any situation. And then let's go for a quick nap. It is super comfortable. I have to say that it's really comfy with the pillow and of course all the back support and all the pads it has. So let's just jump back on the massager now. So this is what I wanted to show you in detail. You have the power button, you have the intensity, you have the mode, you have all this 8 because there are 2 in each one of this. So it's going to be 8, all the massagers, all the points, and you also have the heat function. And of course, you have a timer. So this is super important again for elderly people. So once you put it on, you're going to see that this is on, and you're going to have the intensity and the mode. This is kind of like switching all the modes, but you can just go on the back with this one, mode, and you have all of them. And then you have this one that is pressing, wave, auto, and normal. And you also have the intensity, low and high. This is going high. Let me actually show you something with my microphone now. Oh my God, this is fantastic. This is really good. It feels really good on my legs. It feels really good right here on my shoulders. It feels really good on my back area as well. And remember, you have everything just on the press of a button right here. You also gonna have the recliner. You're also gonna have the lifter. And of course, it supports 330 pounds with a really easy 10 minutes assemble. I think this is a good one. I guarantee you're not gonna regret it. This, I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.